55 years ago, on July 20th, 1969, humanity achieved an impossible dream with the first moon landing. But lingering questions persist. What really happened when humans first walked on the moon, amidst triumphs and mysteries? The 1960s were defined by the intense space race between the United States and the Soviet Union, a fierce competition ignited by early successes like Sputnik, vying for technological and ideological supremacy during the Cold War era. In 1961, President John F. Kennedy made a bold promise to the world in his speech at Rice University to land a man on the moon and return him safely to Earth before the decade was out, by the end of 1969. This ambitious goal ignited a monumental effort involving over 400,000 dedicated individuals, pushing the boundaries of science, engineering, and human endurance to achieve the previously unimaginable. On July 16, 1969, at 9:32 a.m. from Cape Kennedy's Launch Complex 39A, the mighty Saturn V rocket thundered into the sky, launching Apollo 11 and carrying Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins towards their lunar destiny. After a precise 3-day journey covering nearly 240,000 miles, Apollo 11 entered lunar orbit, offering breathtaking views of the iconic Earthrise emerging over the moon's desolate, cratered landscape. On July 20th, 1969, the lunar module Eagle, with Armstrong at the controls and Aldrin assisting, successfully touched down on the Sea of Tranquility after a tense descent with fuel critically low. Hours later, Neil Armstrong uttered the immortal words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," as he gingerly descended the ladder and became the first human to walk on the moon. Buzz Aldrin soon joined him on the surface, and together they explored the alien terrain, planting the American flag, deploying the first scientific experiments, and gathering precious lunar samples. The journey to the moon took approximately 3 days, covering a staggering distance of nearly 240,000 miles from Earth at average speeds exceeding 2,000 miles per hour. Armstrong and Aldrin spent about 21.5 hours on the lunar surface overall, with their historic moonwalk, or extravehicular activity, lasting roughly 2.5 hours in the harsh vacuum. They collected 48 pounds of lunar rocks and soil, invaluable samples that continue to provide profound insights into the moon's geology, composition, and shared history with Earth. A lesser-known fact is that Buzz Aldrin, a devout Christian and church elder, privately took communion on the moon with a consecrated wafer and wine, a sacred moment of reflection amid humanity's greatest achievement. The mission also relied on specialized equipment, including Hasselblad 500 EL data cameras specially modified for the harsh lunar environment, which captured the iconic images we cherish today. Despite overwhelming evidence, some theories suggest the moon landing was faked, citing anomalies like the flag appearing to wave without air or shadows that seem inconsistent in photos. However, scientific consensus and extensive evidence, including lunar laser ranging experiments bouncing beams off reflectors left on the moon and physical rock samples analyzed worldwide, unequivocally confirm the authenticity of the Apollo missions. The Apollo program's legacy extends far beyond the moon, profoundly inspiring generations to pursue careers in STEM fields and driving countless technological advancements essential to modern society. Innovations in computing with miniaturized circuits, materials science for heat shields and fabrics, and telecommunications via satellites, originally developed for space travel, now benefit our daily lives profoundly. Today, the Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon around 2026, including the first woman and person of color, establishing a sustainable presence and paving the way for missions to Mars and beyond. The Apollo 11 moon landing remains a timeless testament to human ingenuity, courage, unity, and the boundless spirit of exploration that defines our species. If you found this journey through space history fascinating, please like this video, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join us for more captivating stories of discovery and adventure in the cosmos.